Larry, pros who help.
Oh, hi there, funny bunnies. It's night time, and Larry and I are just about to go to sleep.
Sleep! Sleep!
We should be quiet so that Larry can fall asleep.
No sleepy! No sleepy!
What do you mean? No sleepy, Larry.
No sleepy! No sleepy!
But Larry, it's dark outside. Time for bed. You know, I'm a tired bunny too.
No sleepy! No sleepy!
What's wrong, Larry? Is the bed lumpy? Am I making too much noise? Then what is it, Larry? Why aren't you sleepy?
No sleepy! No sleepy!
Larry needs some help falling asleep. How can we help? Hey! Maybe the answer is inside my dress-up and wonder box. Let's see what we have here. Oh! What a funny hat! Oh, I know. It's a chef's hat. Chefs wear it in the kitchen when they're cooking.
No chef! No chef!
You're right, Larry. Chefs won't help you to fall asleep, but they can make you yummy food. I think that now I'm tired and hungry. What else is in here? Ooh! Ballet slippers! Da 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 da. I'm being such a silly bunny. These aren't for my hands, are they? That's right, funny bunnies. They're ballet shoes, and they're for dancers' feet.
No shoes! No shoes!
That's right, Larry. Ballet shoes won't help you fall asleep. La 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 la. Wow! This is so nice. And soft. Let's go into the dress-up and wonder box and find out if this could help Larry fall asleep. Hey! Look at me. I'm in pajamas. But what are pajamas for? Teddy, let's go Betty bye. Cuddle up and close our eyes. Blankets ready. I'm all set. The sweetest dreams are coming next. I laugh, I sing, I play all day until the sun has gone away. At night I put my PJs on and close my bunny eyes till dawn. Read me storybooks each night. Then we turn out all the lights. In pajamas, soft as snow, hop, hop into bed I go. I laugh, I sing, I play all day until the sun has gone away. At night I put my PJs on and close my bunny eyes till dawn. I laugh, I sing, I play all day until the sun has gone Nice pajamas. When I put my PJs on, I know it's time to get ready for bed. Hold on. This is what Larry needs to help him fall asleep. Pajamas. I have to give these to Larry. Larry, I know how to make you sleepy.
Sleepy! Sleepy!
These pajamas, just like the ones I have.
Pajamas! Pajamas!
They're so soft and warm, and when you put them on, you will fall asleep.
Sleepy time! Sleepy time!
Yeah! If you want to get sleepy, all you have to do is put your pajamas on and get back into bed. How about it, Larry? Good night, funny bunnies. Sleep tight.